Shopify free trial, 120 days. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get Shopify 120 days free trial in 2025. If you're looking for the best Shopify free trial deal, you're in the right place. And remember, the best way to get this offer is by using the link in the description below. You might have heard about the old 1 million black businesses promotion that gave you a 4-month trial, but that deal is no longer available. Don't worry, I've got a way to still get a 120-day Shopify free trial in 2025. So, the first thing you need to do is click on the link in the description below. This is crucial because it will take you directly to the Shopify free trial page, and you won't be able to get the 120-day free trial unless you use this link. Once you click the link, you'll land on Shopify's standard 3-month free trial sign-up page. I'll explain how to extend that to 120 days in just a moment. On the sign-up page, enter your email address. I recommend using a fresh email that hasn't been used with Shopify before. After entering your email, click Start Free Trial. Now, create your Shopify account using the same email you just entered. Set a strong password and click Create Shopify Account. Next, Shopify will ask you a few questions about setting up your store. For the first question, choose an online store if you're starting from scratch. For the next question, select I'm not selling yet unless you're moving an existing store from a platform like WordPress. If you're migrating, pick the appropriate migration option. Once you answer those questions, click Next. Then, choose the types of products you plan to sell and hit Get Started. Don't worry if you change your mind later. You can update these settings anytime. Here's where you need to pay attention. To activate your store and extend the trial, you need to select a Shopify plan. If you don't choose a plan, your store won't go live, and you won't be able to extend your trial to 120 days. Shopify offers several plans, including Basic, Shopify, Advanced, and Plus. For most beginners, I recommend starting with the Basic plan. I'm choosing that one here. After that, enter your billing details. Don't worry, Shopify won't charge you anything until after the trial ends. Once your billing information is confirmed, click Save Business Address to proceed. Now, your store is fully activated with Shopify's initial 90-day free trial. Here's how to extend it to 120 days. Head over to the Shopify Help Center using the link in the description below. Log in with your new Shopify account. Copy the message template I've provided in the description, personalize it if needed, and use Shopify's AI assistant to contact live support. Even if a live agent isn't immediately available, I got a follow-up email confirming that my trial was extended to 120 days. You can double-check on your dashboard, where you'll see the extended 120-day free trial. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Make sure to click the link in the description to make sure you get the best deal and follow the steps I've shown for the full 120-day Shopify free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.